Welcome. This is a 5-minute beginner-friendly yoga full body stretch. Feel free to grab some pillows, blocks, bolsters, even blankets if you feel like you might need to modify. We'll come to our knees and just tucking the toes, sitting the hips on the heels. For many, this might be intense, so feel free to lift the hips, lean forward a bit. In time, we'll get there. Sitting nice and tall and understanding that each pose today is completely optional. Go at your own pace and listen to your body. Now, wherever you are, you can untuck the toes if you need to, or go ahead and keep them tucked and begin to circle the wrists. So just feeling out all the clicks and ticks here. We'll gently release, shake out the toes if they're still tucked. We'll come to tabletop, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, round through the spine, take your gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. We'll come to a neutral spine, straightening the left leg, tucking the left toes and just pressing into that heel, almost like you're pressing it into a wall. So getting a full stretch here in the back of that leg. When you're ready, go ahead and spin out that right foot, taking the left toes pointed towards the left side. Inhale, reaching the left hand all the way up and over, pressing the mat away from you with the right hand. Don't fall into the shoulder here, getting that full stretch throughout the body, tucking the tailbone. As you exhale, go ahead and plant the hand. Take a moment here. When you're ready, we'll switch sides, straightening the right leg. When you're ready, take the left foot to the outside of the mat. Right toes pointed towards the right side. Inhale, reaching the right hand up and over. Tucking the tailbone. As you exhale, plant the hand. Take a moment here. Begin to walk the hands as far up as you comfortably can, sending the hips towards your heels. Take a moment here. On an inhale, rounding through the spine. Take your time here, connecting with the body. Rounding through the spine all the way forward, coming all the way into your cobra pose, slight bend in the elbows. And we'll do that flow a few more times. Exhale, sending the hips back. Inhale, round forward. As you exhale, send the hips towards the heels. Take the knees a bit further apart. We'll thread the right hand underneath the left, keeping that left hand reaching forward towards the top of the mat. Now, this is completely optional. If this does not feel good, stay in a child's pose. You can modify by placing a pillow underneath the hips. And instead of threading the hand underneath the left arm, you can always place a pillow underneath the torso for a supported child's pose. If you have the right hand threaded underneath the left arm, feel free to take a bind. Again, if the body allows it today, stay where you feel most comfortable. And when you're ready, we'll gently release. Take your time, switching sides. Left hand threading under the right arm, or you can stay right in your child's pose. hands to your sides or reaching forward. Option also to take a bind if that left hand is threaded underneath the right arm. Observing the body here, observing the stretch. And we'll gently release. Coming right into a child's pose, reaching both hands forward, or you can take the hands just beside your hips, beside your heels. Feel free again to modify, placing a pillow underneath the hips or underneath the torso. And if you were already in a child's pose, feel free to stay a little longer, or you can come right out, come to something that feels best for you. Drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back, softening the arms, drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back as you inhale. As you exhale, completely letting go here, so allowing the hips to be heavy, softening the feet, the bottoms of the feet, the toes. On an inhale, we'll gently round up one vertebrae at a time. Take your time. Let the head come up last. Resting the hands on your thighs, palms facing up, or come to a nice comfortable seat. Giving yourself some gratitude for showing up to the mat today. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.